On this hot day, I'm in Mooresville's hottest new construction community. Now, the builder is Empire Homes, and it's their first time building in the Lake Norman area. Now, I've seen their homes in the Charlotte market, and I must say, I love their style. Welcome to Harris Farms. Empire is one of North America's largest privately held home builders. Now, their site plan here at Harris Farms calls for 166 homes. Average pricing is from the low 500,000s to the low 600,000s. Downtown Mooresville is just 2 miles north, but you can walk just 5 minutes to the south to a brand new Publix right there. You can choose from 8 floor plans ranging in size from 1,870 to 3,400 square feet, with 1 or 2-story options. You can also have the option to purchase a completed home or pick your home plan, the lot, and then visit their Charlotte Design Center to customize your home. Here's one of their on-site models called the Ellington. It has 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and has the optional second floor. The 1-floor Ellington starts closer to $500,000, but with the optional second floor and the structural and design center options you'll see inside this model, the price tag is $650,000. So let's see what you get for your money. Future amenities include a pool and clubhouse, dog park, and tot lot. So what do you think of Harris Farms? Please leave me a comment, and I'd appreciate it if you would like and share my video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next new construction tour. I'm always here to help you with your real estate needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Remember, the person that works in the model home represents the builder, not you. That's where I come in. I'm here to help you and look out for your best interests.